Is it possible to moisturize your hair every day? Is it possible to moisturize a very short hair? Which product do you use to moisturize your hair? I'll be answering all those questions in this video. So if these questions, you need to know the answers to these questions, make sure you watch the video to the end to see everything I'll be talking about and the tips I'm going to drop at the end of the video. So let's go. Been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast. I'll be starting from the first question. Is it possible to moisturize your hair every day? In the former video I posted, I'm going to link this video. There is no point moisturizing your hair every day anyways. If I'm to answer this question honestly, if you are able to moisturize your hair very well, like as you should, and you use the right product for your hair, I promise you that moisture is going to last you for like 5 days, 1 week, especially if you packed your hair properly and if you did what you're supposed to do properly. So the moisture is going to stay well at least 5 days. So if you have all the time in the world, you can be moisturizing your hair every 5 days, every 1 week. But then if not, you can just chill 7 days, 8 days, and all of that. So the second question is, will you moisturize a very short hair? Are you supposed to moisturize a very short hair? Are you going to be moisturizing a very short hair? The person was emphasizing on short hair. Do you get? When you come to natural hair, no matter if it's short, if it's middle length, or if it's long, or whatever you call long, you need to be moisturizing your hair. You know, when it comes to moisturizing your hair, the stuff it does to your hair is to just help you to manage your hair properly. It helps your hair to retain the length, the extent it has gotten to, it to retain it, and it also help the hair to even grow better. So moisturizing a short hair is also an advantage to making it grow. Like you are giving it a leverage to grow. And then moisturizing your hair also helps reduce and breakage. Everyone, if you watch the former video, please go to my other video and watch the video so that you know the importance of moisturizing your natural hair. So if you actually know the importance of moisturizing your natural hair, you know that every hair needs moisture, whether it's short or it's long. So the third question is, how long do you wait before you wash your moisturized hair? The person that asked this question, I feel the person is concerned about product buildup. It depends on people because your scalp is different. Everyone's scalp is different. So for me, sometimes I wash my hair every 3 weeks, except if I braided my hair. Like I use hair extension to braid them. Even with my hair extension, probably when I just feel that, oh, my scalp is already crying and my scalp needs my help, something like that, I wash my braided hair and then use dryer to dry them and all of that. But you can wait up to 2 weeks, 1 week, just do you. Once you feel that your scalp needs your help, please make sure you wash it. Use the right products to wash your natural hair so your scalp is free. When your scalp is free, it just gives the avenue for your hair to thrive, like to strive. Yeah. So you wash your hair depending on your scalp. When you open your scalp and all of that, you will see the product buildup. Do not allow your hair to be sick of you. Always wash your hair, guys. Wash your hair so that your hair will be free. So the next question, I think this question is actually from a guy. The guy was asking, moisturizing natural hair, is it peculiar to only ladies or is it also for guys? Come on now, why would you be asking that question? As far as you have a hair on your head, your scalp, something like that, you need to be moisturizing your hair, whether you are a man or a woman. So moisturizing your hair is not only peculiar to women. Men also are supposed to moisturize your hair because it depends on what you want. As a guy, if you need your hair to stop breaking, you have to moisturize your hair. As a guy, if you want your hair to grow in length, you have to moisturize your hair. If you want a very healthy hair, whether you are a man or a woman, you need to start moisturizing your hair, your natural hair. Your natural hair needs moisture. Always moisturize your hair all the time so that it will help you. In fact, moisturizing your hair helps you to comb. Me, I don't like stress. I don't come this life to suffer. Yeah, so I need to be moisturizing my hair. So whenever I need to comb my hair, guys, I won't be suffering. I won't be having headaches after. I'll be taking pain relief drugs so that I'll comb my hair or after combing my hair and all of that. When you moisturize your hair, your story will be just move from all those things to a better life. Yeah, you'll be enjoying your natural hair. So yes, guys should also moisturize their natural hair. So for the last question, someone asked me, must you use the products I used to moisturize your natural hair? The answer is hell no. Do not use all the product. In fact, if you can see the products I mentioned, that's fine. But if they're not available in your environment, or you can't find them, or you don't even like the smell of shea butter, there are a lot of persons that don't even like the smell. In fact, even me in particular, I don't like it. That is one of the reasons I add all this oil that I add and all of that, so that it's like that shea butter smell and stuff will not be that conk in it, like will not be so conk anymore, so it will be diluted, you know what I'm saying? So it's not by, there are other conditioners that you have to use, but I would recommend you use those oil that I mentioned. Castor oil is so good for your natural hair, guys. So you have to get them. Rosemary, cloves, all those ones are just like natural herbs that will like change your story, like it will help your hair to grow. So in my next video, I'll be teaching a tip that is being tested and trusted on how to grow natural hair. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification button, so whenever I post that video, you are going to see it. Yeah, always come back to my channel and check for natural hair tips, natural hair tutorial, vlogs, lifestyle vlogs. I'll be dropping also a video on how I lost 20 kg like in a very short period of time. Thank you for watching my video today. Bye, see you in my next. Mwah.